Hey there YouTube fans, how you going? Well, look what I made for my little XR. Okay, so this is a little stand expander that you can put into your tool bag. And what did I do? Well, I cut up an old chopping board, right, with an angle grinder, just to be lazy. I sanded all the corners nice and smoothly, and sandpapered those corners as well, so it's not sharp on the edges, and marked it out where the stand sits, and screwed some screws into it. This one actually. Well, you can see them there, but then also I made sure that they're not coming through the other side, so that you can just put that in your backpack. So cheap and nasty, but does the job. So when you're fishing and you're sitting in a whole bunch of mud, that will help your bike not fall over. Right? Hope that helps.